I'm sitting in an '08 Nissan Xterra. It is immobilizer equipped. There's the dashboard, and you'll see the red light blinking in the middle without a key in it. Here's our key we're going to use. This has a recovered OEM chip in there that's been used, but I can reuse it on Nissans. We'll turn it on. That light should be solid. It is. What we'll do is go into Xterra. Key coding. Wait. Immobilizer 2. Program key. No key slot. Okay, we're going to use the old pin, 1498. Hit escape. Yes. 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 Okay, yes. Alright, now at this point the key is ready in learning mode. All I have to do is cycle it. So, let's look at the security light's off. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Off. On. And that's it. We're done.